Give it to me. Drop it. Peanut, hush. Give me the toy. Let's drop it. Sit. 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 See how she's boxing me with her paw? Ah. Okay, sit down. Sit. Maya. Oh, no jumping. No jumping. Sit. No, Sit. Stay. Sit. She's getting a little bit too excited. But she can get a little bit excited like this, but she can also be very calm too. So that's what's important to notice. This is why we want the home with the yard. Peanut has to regulate everything, so just ignore him. Yeah, so this is why I want the home with a yard, because she can play and enjoy herself when she does get excited. But otherwise, she can be very calm in the house. Maya, quiet down. Peanut. All right, sit down. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. No jumping. Good girl. Come on, let's calm down. Come on, let's calm down. Good girl.